This is how you're going to publish your Base44 app on the App Store. So we are going to be using an Apple device for this one. So first, in your Base44, ensure that your app is optimized for mobile. And then from here, you can just click on this icon right here that looks like a computer and a PC. So you can just click on that to make sure that your app is optimized for mobile and it looks good on mobile. Now after that, you're just going to hit on publish and then publish your page. Since mine is already published, I can already see how it's going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. Now what you're going to do is you're going to copy your address. So once you're on your website, just copy this address right here, and then we're going to use a third-party app for this tutorial. I recommend App My Site, and this is what we're going to use to be able to publish this on the App Store. We're just going to click on Create Another App right here. Just make sure that you're signed in or you have signed up to an account. Now from here, we're just going to create an app name. I'm going to name this Strawberry Soju 2 since I already have an existing app for Android. I'm going to make this let's just name this App Store just to make sure that it is established in App Store and it's very different from the other one. And then from here, we're going to click on Web to App since we will be using the web address that we have copied earlier. I'm going to use this. And then we're just going to click on Create an App. Now, we're just going to have to finish all of the setup process right here. So first, we're going to set up a color scheme. I'm just going to use this teal one. I'm going to click on Next. And then from here, we can create a memorable app icon. I'm going to upload an image. We can just browse right here. So I'm just going to look for any icons that I can use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. This is a made up icon, by the way. This is not what I really am using in my website. I'm just going to click on download. And then done. Once we click on done, we're just going to finish all of the setup process that we have here. And then once we have it finished, we're just going to click on connect to App Store and then upload to App Store. So since this is taking a bit too long, I'm just going to skip this one. And then as you can see here, we already have the dashboard tools that we can access. So from here, you can already see your iOS right here. Since our app isn't yet published, we cannot publish it to the iOS store first because it is still a draft. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that our site is already published by going to publish right here, and then we're going to publish it to the Apple App Store. We're going to just click on publish right here, and then we're just gonna have to connect to the App Store, and then that's it. That is how you're going to publish your Base44 app on the App Store. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.